Hello, future officers. Here's your UPSC buddy back with another question series for you. So, today we are going to start blood relations questions. So, blood relations madhe you will understand how UPSC is going to trap you, but I'll tell you how can you rescue in just 10 seconds. So, let's go. So, first question. Saroj is the mother-in-law of Vani, who is sister-in-law of Deepak. Rajesh is the father of Ramesh, the only brother of Deepak. How is Saroj related to Deepak? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. So, we will understand it carefully, slowly. So, see. Solution. First thing, Saroj is the mother-in-law of Vani. First, we'll take Saroj. पहिले तर सरोज मेल आहे का फिमेल? नावाने तर परफेक्ट मेल. बट सी द क्वेश्चन, सरोज इज द मदर इन लॉ. मग दे आर सेइंग सरोज इज मदर इन लॉ, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज अ फीमेल जेंडर. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, सरोज इज मदर इन लॉ सर्कल मध्ये आपण लिहूयात, ॲज फिमेलला आपण डिनोट करतो. सेकंड, ऑफ वाणी. वाणी एक अशी व्यक्ती आहे, समवन, त्यांची मदर इन लॉ आहे सरोज. सो वाणी इज अगेन फीमेल, सो अगेन शी विल बी कन्सिडर्ड इन सर्कल. सेकंड, who is sister in law of Deepak. Now again, Vani is someone who is sister in law of Deepak, means she is sister in law, that they are saying. Manje of Deepak means Vani is married to Deepak's brother, as she is sister-in-law. So again, here is someone, we don't know that person, to whom she is married. Okay, she is married to sister-in-law of Deepak. She is sister-in-law of Deepak. So Deepak. Okay, clear? Saroj is mother-in-law and Vani is someone who is sister-in-law of Deepak. Means Vani is married to Deepak's brother. So she became sister-in-law. So she is someone, now they both are brothers. They both are brothers and Vani is wife of Deepak's brother. According to this conversation till here, okay? Till here. Let's see ahead what are they saying us. So Rajesh is father of Ramesh, the new two members. Rajesh is father of Ramesh, the only brother of Deepak. Okay, प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व. आता त्यांनी आपल्याला क्लिअरली सांगितले की दीपकचा एक कुलता एकच भाऊ आहे, तो म्हणजे कोण आहे? रमेश. रमेश क्लिअर? राजेश इज फादर ऑफ रमेश, द ओनली ब्रदर ऑफ दीपक. सो रमेश आणि दीपक भाऊ आहेत, भाऊ भाऊ. अँड रमेश चे पप्पा हु इज फादर? राजेश. राजेश. फक्त जे काही क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिले आपण तिथं मार्क आउट करूयात, नंतर ना वी विल सी व्हॉट दे आर आस्किंग अस. सो सिंपल होतं आतापर्यंतचं रिलेशन. सरोज इज मदर इन लॉ. मग आपण कुणाची होती ती? वाणीची मदर इन लॉ होती. वाणी इज हरसेल्फ सिस्टर इन लॉ. मग ती कशी काय सिस्टर इन लॉ बनू शकते? जेव्हा कुणी पण भावाची बायको असेल त्याला आपण सिस्टर इन लॉ म्हणतो. सो वाणी कुणाची सिस्टर इन लॉ आहे? दीपकची. म्हणजे दीपकचा जो कोणी भाऊ असेल त्याची ती सिस्टर इन लॉ आहे. सो आता क्लिअर झालं, रमेश आणि दीपक ब्रदर्स आहेत आणि रमेशचे पप्पा आहेत राजेश. सो here we understand one relation again, that is Rajesh and Saroj. They are again couples. Couples. They both are again couples. Okay, they दोन्ही couples आहेत. Now what they are asking us, Saroj, how is Saroj related to Deepak? How are they related? Saroj related to Deepak. Who is Deepak now? Tell me. Simple. How is Saroj? Who will be Saroj to Deepak? Mother. So your answer will be mother. Okay. So now we have second question, that is L is the father of N and P. P is the son of L, but N is not the son of L. How is N related to L? You on yourself analyze this, how UPSC asks you the questions. So first, L. L is father of N and P. N and P. Okay. So we don't know N and P चा आपल्याला अजूनपर्यंत जेंडर माहिती नाही आहे. P is the son of L. P is the son. Okay. Let's put him in square. P is the son. But N is not the son of L. N is not son. Means L is father. हे कन्फर्म आहे की N and P चे पप्पा एक आहेत. But N is not the son. Means common sense. Who will be N? Only two genders we have, that is male and female. So N is female. First thing. Second thing. L is father of N and P. म्हणजे हे दोघं कोणीतरी ब्रदर सिस्टरचे रिलेशन मेंटेन करत आहेत. So N is obviously daughter. Now, how is the N related to L? How is N related to L? N is daughter of L as L is father. So first answer for this, correct answer is daughter. This is UPSC level questions. You have to know the selective questions from where you are going to gain the marks. So third question is, A is the sister of B, B is the brother of C. How is A related to C? Let's see diagram. A is sister. A is sister of B. A is sister of B. Sister means circle. And B is the brother of C. Okay, B is brother of C. Now, how is A related to C? How is A related to C? Now, only the confusion or the information we don't know is C is male or female. But one thing is clear, A is sister of B. B is brother of C. Means they all are members of same family. Okay. Third, now they are asking us this relation. Obviously they are brother or sister, someone. Now here we don't know the gender of C. म्हणून आपण ह्याचा आन्सर दोन केस मध्ये बघूया. फर्स्ट केस, केस 1 मध्ये इफ C is male, if C is male, then A is obvious, A sister आहे, ही female आहे. So A is sister of C if he is brother. So ती sister असणार आहे if he is male. If she is, if he is female, if C is female, मग ते दोघे पण बहिणी बहिणी असतील. So again A is sister. What they are asking, how is A related to C? A चे रिलेशन C सोबत काय असणार आहे? So answer is sister. So sister is your right answer. ठीक है? So fourth question is, a man has 2 wives. Wow! No wife. Let's see. A is Sunny's stepmother. How is Sunny related to B? Okay. A has a man. A man. We don't know anything about him. So a man. A man has 2 wives. मजे ही मजे. दुखी है वो, सबसे दुखी इंसान ये मैन होगा. A and B. 2 wives, A and B. Coming to the question. So A is Sunny's stepmother. A is someone who is Sunny's. Sunny. Sunny. Okay, Sunny है. Sunny's stepmother आहे A. So very simple. Now they are asking us, how is Sunny related to B? Man has 2 wives. she is stepmother. They have given, okay. She is stepmother. Then who will be B? B will be his real mother. So Sunny is son. Okay, understand this is N. So Sunny is son. Again, Sunny is son of B. Simple relations. Okay. So अशी खूप इझी क्वेश्चन्स पण येतात. सो वी शुड हॅव दॅट सिलेक्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चन्स का नॉलेज.